Hi everyone, I'm back again with the journal page. I'm working in my Dina Wakley Media Journal, the one that has the burlap and the craft and the canvas and all those different types of paper. And I'm working loosely on a page that Colleen, who is the scrap chick here on YouTube, I watched her stream recently and thought I'd do something along the lines that Colleen did. It's not exactly like she did, the concept is there, but anyway. So I've just taken a piece of pattern paper and now just texturizing it. So just stamping a lot of background images using various shades of blue and the black. I think they're all archival inks anyway. So pretty much, I don't use this just yet, but what I'm doing is just getting it ready. I'm using various sets of stamps, KaiserCraft, Tim Holtz, Stampers Anonymous, and a full list of the supplies that I've used will be in a blog post linked in the description below this video, as well as being on the screen. Oh, this is a Hero Arts stamp that I haven't used in a while. Word pops. And they're just circles of script and such, but only two of them pull out. The others just stay as the background stamp. And so I thought this piece of pattern paper needed some white to contrast with the black and all the blues. I'm just adding some white in various styles, so circles here, the script circle stamp, and now going to splat some watered down gesso, and then also splat some Payne's grey, which is a very deep blue. So that's it for the pattern paper, done, out of the road, and now I'm working on the page. So I've had these journal note little booklets for years, so I thought, well, I'm just going to grab them out, go in my tag drawer and pull out some tags and things that I don't use or I haven't used for a long time, and just plop them down. So I adhered these with some Scotch Quick Dry adhesive, and I don't show it, but I do journal on the tags just with a lead pencil, and I sprayed using some Lindy's Stamp Gang Starburst spray and Moonshadow mist, and then I put some white Liquitex ink on there to give it some contrast. And then I punched some different sized circle shapes out of that pattern paper that I just coloured, and now adhering those down, I think with some Elmer's Craft Bond glue. So all that work just for that, but I still have that pattern paper in my stash that I can use whenever I want to. And now I'm going to use the same stamps that I used for the pattern paper on the page, just a bit of script stamping there. Oh, and I think that was a butterfly. Or it was called Flutter, I think. KaiserCraft stamp. And now I'm taking some thickers alpha letters and I'm stamping those with the KaiserCraft script stamp with jet black archival ink. Now Colleen used a whole lot of letters and dimensionalized them so they were one on top of the other and such. But I tend not to like dimensional pages or two-dimensional pages in my journals because it makes it hard to work on other pages. So I just added one layer of the thickers in a word. And this is another tag sort of book that I had in my stash that I thought I'd use the little sentiments, and the stickiness had gone out of it, like it just peeled off with the paper, so I had to glue them down. So I did another tag in my stash, and I'm just adding some of those background stamps in the various shades of blue archival ink. And then I go and apply some of those sayings on the tag with Aleene's tacky glue. Now why I used Aleene's, I have no idea. I had the Elmer's out. I had the Scotch Quick Dry out. I just grabbed for it. Any of those three would work. Maybe even matte medium. But then again, I used the sprays there, so if I use matte medium, it may move the sprays on the page. So I thought a wet glue would have been better. Now this tag is from my stash that I just had playing around with there, and it has no color coordination with this page, but I wanted to use it because of what it said and what the page represented to me at the time. So I just stuck it down. Now going around those letters and the tag sayings and the circles with a Stabilo All pencil, a black one, and then activating that with a water brush just to make everything pop out. And you'll see close-up videos at the end when I finish the page here at the end of the video, and there'll also be still photos on my blog, and the link will be in the description below. So it's almost done. This is my first journal page I've done for this year since before Christmas. I've been dealing with some stuff lately, so this helped. Yeah, I'd missed a few of the circles and things to dimensionalize with that Stabilo All pencil. So just fixing that up, and that's it, it's done. Alright, I'll be back next week again with another video. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.